Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to go through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior. Then of course I'll go around, I'll take a seat inside. Once we're there, we'll go through some of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself is the 420D M Sport Convertible. It's presented in the mineral grey, and of course we've fitted the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, along with these brand new 20-inch 666 competition style alloy wheels, which are finished in the satin grey. Sitting behind those wheels, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to this vehicle being equipped with BMW's M Sport Plus pack. At the front of the vehicle, you'll see the gloss black front splitters, kidney grills, and the Angel Eye Xenon headlamps. Alongside that, it is of course a 2016 16 plate. Down the side of the car, you'll notice the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, sidebars, and the YNC Mperformance decals. And of course, thanks to us having the roof down, you'll already be able to see that very striking coral red Dakota leather, which for this vehicle, thanks to it again having another optional extra pack, we've got the convertible comfort package, including air collar, heated leather, and the heated M Sport steering wheel, all of which we'll get a closer look at very shortly. Not only have you got those options, we've also got electric movement and memory for passengers and driver's side front. There you can see that Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, again thanks to the M Sport Plus pack. Giving you a show of the rear seats now, where you'll find the Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement with the central folding armrest. Situated behind these rear seats is the wind deflector, which can be positioned over the rear seats to stop the wind turbulence when travelling with the roof down. Again, another nice optional extra to be equipped within this vehicle. Before we head around to the very rear of the car, we're going to show you off the alloy wheels once again. Of course, being brand new, they are completely unmarked, and having brand new tyres gives you a nice peace of mind knowing that you're not going to have to replace them at any point soon. So there at the rear, you'll notice we've got the satin rear diffuser and high gloss black rear boot spoiler. Now of course, on convertibles, the boot space can sometimes be compromised. However, thanks to BMW's clever ingenuity, they've added this boot button, which allows you to partly lift the roof out of the storage tray to gain access to your full luggage capacity. So once that's folded out, we'll lift the luggage tray cover open, and I can reveal to you just how large the boot space actually is. If you've not yet already seen one, this may be useful to yourselves. So there you can see, if the camera decides to focus in, it goes all the way back to the rear of the seats. And again, the genuine BMW floor mats, which will of course accompany the vehicle, nicely presented there. Folding that roof back into the storage tray. Once that's all folded away nice and neatly, we'll head round to the other side of the car, show you once again just how nice and neatly this vehicle is presented, before heading on inside to of course start it up and fold that roof all the way closed. Again, you'll be able to see just how well these colours do work together. The mineral grey and coral red Dakota leather is certainly one of the most impressive and striking colours, especially when you take the roof off to be able to view it even further. So now I'm going to climb on inside, I'm going to start the car up and of course go over some of the interior features in a bit more detail. First of all though, we'll go ahead and to take a look at the air collar controls and of course the switch for the roof. It is a speed activated roof, so it can be controlled of up to speeds of up to 15 miles an hour. And if you see there on the dashboard display, the vehicle's covered just over 37,000 miles. And is a nice low mileage example of a 420D convertible. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls also situated there. So now the roof movement is complete, we'll go over just a few of the features and functions of the professional wide navigation and media screen as well. In terms of the screen, there you'll be able to see now that we've got the satellite navigation, Bluetooth for both audio and of course telephone. And we've got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs covering everything from the music collection, USB inputs, AUX inputs, and of course Bluetooth audio as well, as I just mentioned. Heading on over now to the vehicle service information and service history screen. You'll be able to see there that the next oil service is not due for 10,000 miles time, and the vehicle also has a full BMW service history as well for another nice peace of mind. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. And of course, if you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below. Well, as always, I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. All of the relevant contact information and of course website links can be found in the description. or of course you can view this vehicle on our website and find out a few more details along with funding options and prices. Hopefully you found this video useful and it will aid in making an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. Hopefully we'll see yourself soon. Take care and goodbye.